like this sign. All things grow with love. Yes, it does. Look at my purple cabbage that's growing big. Got another cabbage, little one growing back there too. All things grow with love. Okay, I'm gonna take a little brief look at all my plants that's growing from seed. Look at here, got some cucumbers coming up. Okay, cucumbers. Don't go too fast now. I want y'all to get leggy on me before I can get y'all out in the ground. Got some butter crunch lettuce growing. There's some romaine lettuce in here, but nothing has sprouted up yet. Got some more cabbage growing here. Get them out. Got an artichoke here. It kind of looked like it was kind of dying out on me in here, but it just grew back and one little leaf is coming up out of the, sprouting up out of the pot. And look at here. This is my apple seed that I planted from a store-bought apple. One of those delicious, red delicious apples that they normally grow in the, that they have selling in the stores. I put the seeds in here from some store-bought apples and they're growing up, coming up out of the soil. Good. Let's look over here. Got some more of the mustard greens growing. Get them out in the yard. Some bell peppers. Got two sprouting up there. Oh, look, I got one there. Okay, bell peppers. Here's some more of my artichoke. I'm gonna get this one out in the yard. I'm not sure what this is. It looked like almost like a celery seed got planted in this pot. So I'm gonna see what this is. Look at my bell peppers that I brought in from the winter. Prune them, but I still have some leaves that's coming up on them. They're gonna be ready for the spring. To go back outside. Look at that, there's a leaf on that coming back up. Come on, my bell peppers. Now come on back. Here's my dill. It's growing up big. And look at here, my lemon. The lemon seeds I put in here. They coming up big too. I have my basil coming up over here. Okay, come on, basil. Over here I have my tomatoes. Look at here, my tomatoes coming up. These are the large red cherry tomatoes. And they're growing pretty fast. And look at here, I have some more of my eggplants sprouting up. Their leaves. Okay, eggplant, come on back. And this is my chives. They haven't come sprouting up anything yet, except for one. I see one is coming up. Anything over here? No. I planted them in some of the plastic bottles. And put holes in the top of the bottle and let the water drain out from the bottom. Put them in some little glass containers and sitting them out in the window sill. Hopefully they'll grow me some chives soon. Okay, I use one of those plant finder apps to identify what plant this is that's growing here, and it says it's a wild carrot. I don't know how the carrot seed got up in here. This was supposed to have been artichoke growing. in this little cup. But a carrot seed got in here. So I guess I'll go and put it in a bigger pot and see if I can get a carrot to grow. I'm finally back in my hoop house area, cleaning out the garden of all the weeds. Got my cabbage growing over here, my garlic. I had to clean out all the beds. Had a lot of weeds growing. Getting ready to tackle this bed here. Got a bunch of onions in here fighting with these weeds. I gotta get the weeds out of here. Asparagus, fighting with the weeds too. Got a pile of them going to the trash. And plant some more cabbage over in this bed with the garlic. Got my cabbage growing in these two beds with the garlic around it. Okay, I pretty much have this hoop house area weeded out, cleaned out. Now I can get ready to plant some more of my seedlings in here. Gonna add some more garlic in this bed, add some more onion over here, some more cabbage over in this bed too. And get my tomato plants ready. I had tomato plants and some of my bell peppers over in here last season. I got a cabbage growing there too, growing there. Asparagus growing. Okay, now let me get ready to tackle the other side of the hoop house, which is a big challenge over there. Woo! Okay, let me get started on the other side. Okay, I had covered up my Meyer lemon tree during this winter freezing temperatures we've been having in my area. So now I'm getting ready to uncover it and let it enjoy some of this beautiful sunshine that we'll be having for a few days. I hope we don't have any more cold weather coming our way. Okay, Meyer lemon, let me see how you did. Okay, I also had covered up my mandarin orange tree during this cold winter weather we have been having. Now I'm going to uncover it and let it enjoy more of this sunshiny weather that we're going to be having for a few days. Hopefully we won't have any more cold weather coming our way. But I can see a lot of its leaves have started coming back. Can't wait to see it start blooming and grow us some more oranges. Okay, my mandarin orange tree can feel the breeze of the wind blowing on the leaves. I uncovered it. Okay, the leaves looking beautiful. Now let's get some blooms start growing on you. Get these dead leaves off of you. Okay, looking beautiful. Grow us some oranges. Come on, give us some nice blooms this spring. And grow us some beautiful oranges. I think I'll prune some of these dead branches off of you. Got the green leaves on the other branches to grow a little stronger. They don't have to support you. Okay. orange tree. Continue to grow. Okay, look at my Maya lemon tree. All of the blooms on it. Why it was all covered up during the winter weather. Okay, Maya lemon, you looking good. You held out during the cold weather. Okay, so glad I covered you up. Get some of these dead leaves off of you. Oh, you're looking good. Okay, look at you. Okay, can't wait to see all the lemons growing on you. Looks so beautiful. Come on, my lemon tree. Continue to grow. Okay, I had covered up my pineapples during this cold winter weather. Now I'm getting ready to uncover them and let them enjoy some of this sunshiny weather we're going to be having for a few weeks, I hope. I hope y'all did all right during this cold winter weather. Let's see how you look now. Okay, my pineapples did great. They still have some beautiful green stems on them. But I don't know when the crown is gonna come up. The pineapple gonna come out the middle of them. This going on the second year. Just the second winter they survived. Okay, pineapple. Come on. Let me see y'all grow. Can't wait to eat the pineapples that you're gonna grow for us. Okay, I have my second hoop house ready. All weeded out and cleaned out. Ready to plant my spring vegetables in here. All my green beans and different kind of sweet peas and cucumbers. I still have my pineapples in here. Gonna put all my beans in here and peas to grow. Getting everything ready for spring. Look at this sign here. Plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love. Yes, that's a good message there. Plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love.